Gregg Wattenberg is an American songwriter, record producer, and musician. Since 2000, Gregg has co-written and/or produced 8 Billboard #1 hit songs. Easy Tonight by Five for Fighting was his first single to reach #1 on the Billboard Adult Alternative chart. His first Recording Industry Association of America certified platinum #1 hit was Five for Fighting's Superman, It's Not Easy, which was nominated for a Grammy Award in 2002. In 2004, Gregg's second platinum #1 hit was Five for Fighting's 100 Years, which was the longest running #1 single of the year on Billboard's Adult Contemporary chart. Gregg co-wrote his third multi-platinum #1 hit, It's Not Over by Daughtry. In 2006, it was the lead single which catapulted Daughtry's first album to hit #1 on the Billboard Top 200 Albums chart. In 2008, Gregg co-wrote Shattered, Turn the Car Around by OAR. The song is certified platinum and it hit #1 on Billboard's Adult Alternative chart. Gregg co-produced Train's Hey Soul Sister. The song earned a Grammy Award for Best Pop Performance by a Duo or Group with Vocal. Hey Soul Sister is ranked in the top 15 on Billboard's chart of the greatest all-time adult pop songs. Gregg also co-wrote and produced If It's Love by Train, which was the band's second consecutive #1 hit with him from the album Save Me San Francisco. Gregg co-wrote and produced Phillip's multi-platinum song Gone, 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 which reached #1 on a total of 8 Billboard charts, including the Adult Contemporary chart and the Adult Alternative Songs chart. Billy Mann is a songwriter, record producer, creative executive, music publisher, and founder and chief executive officer of independent music publishing company Green and Bloom Topline, as well as the chairman of management firm Mann. Bloom Topline currently has over 2,000 copyrights. Mann also started Mancom Create 4, a boutique music management services company that represents artists such as Oh Honey at Atlantic Records, and producers including David Schuler, who's worked with Pink, John Legend, and Tina Arena, Christian Mendes, who's worked with Alan Stone, Oh Honey, Bonnie Anderson, and Grammy-nominated mixing engineer Veronica Ferraro, who's worked with David Guetta, Fred Legrand, Belinda, and Pink. Raised in inner-city Philadelphia, Billy built his career on the foundation of his incredible passion for artists, music, and its creation. Over the years, that passion and his continued hard work have evolved into writing and producing for many of the biggest recording artists in the world, spanning multiple genres, languages, and continents. Mann has received 2 Grammy nominations for his work with Pink on 2007's Stupid Girls and 2013's The Truth About Love, as well as other awards around the world. He has worked with an immensely talented array of artists that includes Cher, Robin, Sting, John Legend, Take That, Kelly Rowland, Seed, Ricky Martin, Hall & Oates, Backstreet Boys, Martina McBride, and Celine Dion, among many others. Mike Campbell is an award-winning, multi-platinum singer-songwriter, producer, and composer based out of Brooklyn, New York. He is one of the co-writers of the 2014 Grammy Award-winning hit Say Something by A Great Big World and Christina Aguilera, and 2016's pop hit Sit Still, Look Pretty by Daya. Both songs have sold a combined total of nearly 8 million copies worldwide, with each song earning a BMI Pop Award. Currently, Mike divides his time between New York, London, Los Angeles, and Nashville, writing songs with emerging and established artists, writers, and producers. Rich Christina is a New Jersey native, music industry practitioner, and he currently holds the role and title of Senior Vice President, Head of East Coast A&R at Sony ATV. Culturally important and commercially successful singles in Rich's catalog include God's Plan by Drake, Bad at Love by Halsey, No Limit by G-Eazy featuring ASAP Rocky and Cardi B, Love Lies by Khalid and Normani, I Fall Apart by Post Malone, The Nest by Bruno Mars featuring Cardi B, Losing Sleep by Chris Young, and Freaky Friday by Lil Dicky and Chris Brown. During Rich's time at Sony ATV, he has signed and or developed artists, writers, and producers, including Red One, Jessie J, Stargate, The XCX, and Gaslight Anthem. In this next phase of Rich's career, it is ideas surrounding leadership style and mentorship that drive him. He is dedicated to teaching this next generation.
Today's inaugural Songwriters Hall of Fame Master Sessions at Stuyvesant High School would not have been possible without the talent, foresight, wisdom, and outreach of dedicated members of the New York Education Special Projects Committee of the Songwriters Hall of Fame. I would like to personally thank Linda Moran, President and CEO of the Songwriters Hall of Fame, April Anderson, Marketing and Communications Director of the Songwriters Hall of Fame, ASCAP's Joe Abrams, BMI's Timothy Pattison, SESAC's Jamie Dominguez, and Adam Epstein. I would also like to thank Dr. Raymond Wheeler, AP of Music, Art, and Technology here at Stuyvesant High School, as well as Eric Contreras, our principal, for their support and encouragement in putting today's event together. Without further ado, let's have a nice round of applause for our panelists.